to your hearts and act so that your hearts feel good and feel happy. And the reason I'm here, Medica-Superspecialty-Hospital, is because Medica is the only, I've seen hospitals from Chennai to Kanyakumari almost, to Ladakh. And I've had occasion to visit them all with patients and on emergency situations. I've known Dr. Roy now for almost 30 years. And I know for sure the kind of person, the human being he is. I'm Dr. Medica is a hospital with a heart and not a target to meet. I think you go to any hospital and they're meeting targets. Senior surgeons are resigning and leaving because they don't want to meet targets. And medicine now has become almost a racket. Medica stands out like not like a sore thumb, but a glorious example of humanity, of service to people, to mankind, to society. Their hospital, 15,000 lives that they saved from the streets of Calcutta, only 6 came to Medica. So it was not as though it was for their personal gain, and the service is free. One of the problems that we have at home is there's a sudden emergency in the house. He is guaranteed that there will be an ambulance there within 10 minutes. Barring some kind of a traffic jam or issue, the ambulances will be parked all over and they will be ready to respond in 10 minutes, and it is the only time. Why haven't you settled down in America? Why don't you? America, there's only one reason for a human being to settle down, and that is this wonderful magic thing called 911. When you dial 911, an ambulance and a police car arrive within minutes. This is a service now he is providing. And Bharatvarsha is a third-class ambulance which are, like almost things to transport poultry have been converted into, transporting patients instead. You have a sophisticated ambulance, and for the first time with paramedics. Paramedics are people who have dedicated their lives to understanding, learning, the service to actually regenerate you from the dead. He is putting it mildly that he will give you an ECG and we have a video conference with the hospital. That is the ultimate benefit. But the immediate benefit of a paramedic is he knows how to save a life on the spot. He will save you, then he will communicate to the hospital, and the hospital for the first time in India, America will be ready for you before you arrive because they will have given the parameters of the patient. The additional thing that Dr. Banerjee told me that he will even talk to the patient. So when the doctor at Medica, at the emergency wing, hears the patient converse, they make a clinical judgment as well. So